Good morning, Mrs. Kate Hall's class. Happy Friday. Good morning from baby Evelyn also. Hope you all had a great week so far. And we are here to do our number corner for today, so let's get started. All right, so today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. Make sure you have your thank you, your May hidden picture grid with you. I have mine right next to me. Let's see what today is. We have another yellow card. We're going to start on 76 and go down and to the right. That is Mama's. Thank you. Let's head over there. All right. Uh-oh, where'd my yellow go? Here it is. Okay. So we are starting on 76, going down and to the right, which brings us to 87. There we go. Now let's take a look at it. When we went down from 76 to 86, we added 10. Oh, I'll use my pen. We added 10, and then we added 1. Let's log that in our calendar grid. All right, here we are. We started on 76. We went, I'm going to borrow this, down, and to the right. We'll just borrow this one too. So our equation, like we talked about, would be 76 plus 10 plus 1 equals 87. And that is where we ended, on 87. Let's do tomorrow's also. Tomorrow is May 16th, 2020. It's Saturday. We have an orange, and we have to get to this number. This number is right above 75. What number is that? 65, right. So we have to start on 87 and work our way to 65. Let's see, we have to go over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1. Okay, so let's go and put an orange color on 65. Here is my orange. We started on 87, and we have to go to 65. Over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1. That's exactly what we did. Okay. Yep. Perfect. Now let's take a look at if we added or subtracted. So we started here. We took away 1, took away 10, took away 1, took away 10. Are you zooming in? You silly goose. Oh my goodness. Come on. I'm not sure why it's zooming in. There we go. You silly goose, you're zooming in for me. We started on 87, and we went over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1. Here is our equation. So 87 minus 1 minus 10 minus 1 minus, whoopsies. I know. Minus 10. And that brings us to 65. And that is where we ended, on 65. How many days in school? Yesterday, we had 161 days in school. How many days in school today? So if we have 160 here, 161, 162. It's 162 days in school. Let's get rid of all this from yesterday. 162 days. Written form, 162 days. Hundreds, tens, and ones. There's 100 plus 6 tens plus 2 ones. Expanded form, we have 100 plus 6 tens, which equals 60, and 2 ones, which equals 162. Let's add a quarter today. Here we go. How much money do we have so far? We have $1.25, because if we do this, 25, 50, 75, $1, we go again, $1.25, and that is what we have right here. Beautiful. So I am going to take our week 2 and gently move it down here. So far, week 1 and week 2 have the same exact total, $1.25. Awesome. All right, today is Friday. Oh, this is the wrong schedule. That's next week. There we go. Today is Friday, April 15th. I will send out next week's today or tomorrow so that you can have it ahead of time. We have a word ladder for reading and phonics, handwriting practice. That is all the information is in Google Classroom. Watch Math Lesson 7. Watch Number Corner like you are doing right now. No social studies or science. And then remember your optional activities for art, music, and PE. Boys and girls, have a beautiful Friday. Get outside and enjoy that weather. It's supposed to be nice this weekend and going into next week, so that is awesome. We can finally get outside and do some work and play on our swing set, so that'll be fun. Boys and girls, have a great day. Bye.